So I've been trading gift cards for the past 5 years, and in today's class, I'll be sharing one of the most profitable ways to trade gift cards and earn from it. All right. Now there are several ways to trade gift cards, but like I said, out of my 5 years of experience, today's class, I'm going to share one of the most profitable ways I've used to trade gift cards. Now, people often ask, is it possible to make money when you buy and sell gift cards? Now, my answer to that question is, are you a good gift card trader? Are you a gift card trader? Do you know where to buy? And ultimately, do you know where to sell? Now, without wasting much of your time, let's just get straight into what I have to share today. So one of my favorite places to source gift card, which is my where I buy from, is the MTC game. Now this is not me recommending them, but from my 5 years of buying gift cards, these guys have been cool. Now you can get PC games, normal gift card like iTunes, Google Play, PlayStation. Different cards are here, Razor Gold, and they are really fast. I'll be sharing how I buy them and definitely how I sell. All right. So you just sit back and allow me entertain you with the simple steps involved. Now, one of the best gift cards to me, one of the most profitable gift cards I've ever come across is the Steam gift card. And this is because Steam is a very popular gift card, and of course a lot of gamers use it. So I'm going to click on Steam wallet, but apart from this, you can come straight to the MTC game platform and check out different gift card that you might love to trade. All right, so let me just get straight to the point without taking much of your time. So I'm going to come to Steam. You can do this with your phone. Okay, I'm going to click on Steam wallet cards, and if you don't understand English, you can change this to your preferred language, of course. And if you want your gift cards to be if you want the currency to be in any other currency, you can come here to absolutely change that. All right, so I'm going to just quickly come down here, and here you can see Steam gift card. This is where I buy from. Now buying is so easy, and trust me, you can actually think about buying from the platform. All right, you can do your research, and once you're done with your research, you can go ahead to make a purchase. All right, now this video is not about teaching you how to be rich trading gift cards. All right, this is how traders buy and sell. So I'm trying to eliminate any form of Ponzi mentality or guaranteed income. Nothing on this video should be considered as financial advice. In fact, I am only letting you know my experience. All right. So I'm going to trade the Steam US dollar gift card, and this is because US dollar is a very popular currency, and it can be sold. Buying other forms of gift card are also nice, but the problem is how you can actually sell it. Buying is easy, selling is absolutely difficult. All right. Okay, so you have to understand that. So I'm going to click on the US dollar Steam gift card, and once I'm here, you can see the different gift cards that are available. So particularly the type of gift card is also very important. Okay, $5 gift card and $10 gift card can be easily sold. By $20, 25 and $30 can be more difficult to sell. All right, so $5, $10 and $50 and $100 are particularly very easy to sell. So I rather purchase $5, $10, $50 or $100. All right, any other denomination can be difficult to sell. Trust me, this is my own experience. So let's say I want to go ahead to buy Steam gift card worth 100 US dollars. All right. Now, quick, I can pay with my PayPal. I can pay with my, my uh, f- wallet. Okay, I can pay with all of these things. You can come down here to look at the payment method, different payment methods that are available. Mastercard, Visa card works. So if you're watching from Nigeria, I'm not currently in Nigeria, but I believe a lot of Nigerian cards now work. Mastercard, Visa card now work. So you can use your normal bank card if you want to make a payment. So paying is actually very much easier, unlike before where it was difficult. Okay, so this is going to cost $106.5 for $100 Steam gift card. So the $6.5 extra is more like the fees involved when you're buying. All right, so there are fees, and I'm happy that you are seeing it is $6.5 fees involved. Now there are other places where you can buy without these fees, but based on my experience, I just believe this is one of the best places to enjoy safety. You can do your research without. I don't want to promote or recommend any platform to you, so this is my personal experience. So after buying the Steam gift card, the Steam codes comes to my mail, and the next step is to sell it. Now, this is where it gets tricky because you have to be very, very careful at this point. Now, one of the places I sell my gift card is the buy sell vouchers. So I'm just going to come to buy sell vouchers. Over here, this is one of the largest places where you can come to trade your gift cards. Now, you don't just come here and click on sell and sell. No, you come here to find buyers. So just like your Bybit P2P, you come here to advertise your gift card for sale. You can see several things here are being sold, and on a very good day, I'm going to share a lot and a lot so you can understand how these things works. All right, people are actually earning from creating ads here. So what do I mean by creating ads? Now you already have your gift card, of course, that you have purchased from any platform you like. So you can actually buy from any platform of your choice. I just shared from my own perspective how I trade my gift card. Then I have a store here already. So all I have to do is just log into my store and you know upload my gift card on my store. So people are gonna come to buy it from me. Now, for example, let's say I am a buyer. I want to buy Steam gift card. I'm gonna come on the search space and type Steam 100 dollar, maybe USD. Okay, so let me just select the first one. Okay, so this is more like a seller. For example, this is a seller. This is his store. Okay, this person I'm not the owner of this store, all right? So this person have already created this store. Okay, this person's store sells gift card. So this person have purchased gift card and advertise it here to be sold. Now you can see how many times it has been sold: 244 times, and this guy has 689 available. So which means that they'll go buy from other platforms, come here and advertise it for sale. All right, now buyers will come here and click on buy now, and you'll just buy. So if you want to buy from this platform, you are buying from a merchant. Okay, so but for me, I prefer selling here because buying here is quite expensive. So I prefer buying, coming here to advertise, and try to find buyers. So it's not a quick thing. It can take time to be sold. Now, how much profit can you make from this? So you can see this guy has about 689 gift cards available. People can choose to buy one or more than one. So it depends on what they want to buy. So but if they want to buy just one, 107.78. So let's say imagine I actually bought at 106.50 and I'm selling for 107.78. So let me come to my calculator. 107.78. Of course, as a business person, you must do your profit and loss. So 106.50, you subtract to see the difference. So the difference is $1.28. Now, this is actually very small. People are going to say it's so small, but if you are comparing it to how many times this guy has sold, which is about 244 times in the last 30 days, you can multiply that figure times 244. So this shows that this person have actually earned about $312 in the last 30 days trading gift cards, right? Buying and selling gift cards. All right. People will be asking, oh, how can I advertise my gift card here to be to be able to find buyers? All right. People are going to first of all, people who are coming to buy from you can pay you via USDT. You can see people who are going to buy from you are paying you via USDT, and you can see these are some of the feedbacks from this buyer store. So if you're looking to create an account, you can just click on login and register. Okay, I don't want to actually go into my my dashboard right now. So you can come here, you can see sell gift cards, and you can advertise with them. You can work with us, but you will need to verify your own account. Okay. You need to verify your own account. So you can see this guy has actually sold over 500,000, 500,000 people. Okay, and the trust percent here is 99.9. So trust me, you can actually do amazing stuff. So let's look at, is this guy the only person selling $100 Steam? The answer is no. So let's look at other people who are selling Steam. Let me go Steam. I don't want this video to be too long, guys. I'm just trying to make it as Steam 100 because it's for $100. That's why I put 100 here. USA. So let me just take a look at somebody else. Let me take a look at maybe this guy. Okay, this person. This is his own store. Okay, this person is selling 100.77. So this person is probably buying from another platform where it is just $100, where it is not $106. So this guy selling at this price, maybe buying from another platform and selling at this price. So you can see the time sold is 1,693. Now I don't know the buying price of this guy, but you can see the available is just 13. So if this guy can sell 1,693 in the last 30 days, trust me, they are actually earning from this. And if you want to actually confirm, you can come down here. You can see there are about 69 feedbacks. So this is actually very smart way to trade gift cards instead of you can actually do your gift card trading safely. I just think that it is one of the actually cool ways. Instead of looking for where to sell, you can advertise. Buyers come here to find and buy from you. Now, I don't want to go too far. There are a lot of gift card traders, Steam gift card traders, but I believe if you have a better price, you have larger buyers. You can see smaller price, larger buyers. But because the other guy is selling at 107, have fewer buyers, 224. So the most important thing is where you are buying from. I think my buying area is actually more expensive, and that's why I can only sell for a $1 more higher than what I've purchased for. So if you have where you can buy from, I believe you have more advantage to have more times you can sell. All right. So like I said, I don't want this video to be construed as financial advice. This is just one of those topics a lot of people have asked me to make how to buy and sell gift cards profitably. Now trust me, if you can buy and try to sell here for more expensive price and you have fewer buyers, right? So buying selling is much more better if you are buying at a better price. Now the other videos I'll be making about different places you can source good gift card from that are lesser in price. So if you love this video, give this video a like, share it. I'll show you how to verify, log in, create your dashboard on the buy sell vouchers. Remember, this time around I did not log in, I did not I've registered, but I did not log in. In another video, if we get more likes here, I'm going to show how to verify and advertise on this platform. For now, I'll see you on another one, guys. Do have a very wonderful day.